Is the screen on your Mac flickering, like it just blinks on and off, or there's like weird lines or sort of weird patterns on your screen? We're going to talk about what that is and how you can potentially diagnose and fix this. So this channel is all about macOS security. And if you love macOS security as much as we do, we want to make sure that your Mac is staying safe and secure for longer. Follow along by clicking on that subscription button, click on the bell. That way you are notified when we release new videos. We also have some great software called Moonlock. Now look, Moonlock is an antivirus, anti-malware piece of software. Now commonly, malware will not cause this glitch. I mean, it could, but generally not. But either way, you need to make sure that your Mac is staying safer for longer. This software is great. It'll scan everything on your Mac, and it will also give you recommendations about improvements to security that you can put in place on your Mac to keep it running healthier for longer. You can go and download it completely for free for 7 days. And if you love it, you can also go and buy it using our YouTube 10 code to get a discount also. So I have encountered this, that the Mac screen flickers. It may be consistent, it may come and go, you may see it and then you don't see it for weeks and then it comes back. Or there's just lines or really abnormal things on the screen. What are some of the reasons? What are some of the causes for these things? Your Mac on the sides of if you've got a laptop, if you've got one of the desktops, whatever it may be, there's ports, right? There's USB ports, there's USB-C ports, there's HDMI ports, and these commonly will then have an external screen plugged into them. Sometimes these external screens may not work quite well with your Mac. The make and the model of those screens may not be fully compatible, but also the refresh rates of some of these screens may not work. And the refresh rates of certain applications may not be fully compatible with some of these screens. For example, some very high definition videos, HDR videos, some games, for example, require really fast, really high refresh rates. Not every screen is created equal. The screen on your Mac's laptop may be okay, but the ones that are plugged in externally may not be able to handle that amount of refresh. Sometimes there is just plain software that isn't playing well with the screen. Sometimes the people who are developing some of this software have developed it incorrectly, or there's a bug that's been introduced, or there may be a game or something that requires higher refresh rates that is just causing bugs. It's a software related bug leading to some of these flickers that you're seeing. A common thing that you may find in some of the older Macs specifically is if you're running newer software on there that requires higher refresh rates, then older Macs may not be able to perform very well. A common cause of this could be because of the graphics cards. Every single Mac has embedded an integrated graphics card. Some of the more higher end Macs do have an external graphics card built in. Some are just basic. Some will just get the job done. Other graphics cards will give you a significant better performance boost from a graphics perspective, but also a much higher refresh rate, so software will perform better. Heavy rendering tasks can expose some of these GPUs or graphical processing units to some of these problems. A common problem as well could be just the fact that there is a dodgy port. Either the screen is faulty, the cable is faulty, or the ports are faulty. Maybe you're plugging in a screen into one of the USB-C ports, into one of the HDMI ports, into a mini display port. Try changing it to one of the other ports and see if that fixes it. Check the cable, change the cable. If the cable is USB-C and your external monitor allows you to have HDMI, look at changing that cable. There could be problems with the cables, there could be problems with the ports if you're talking about external screens specifically. And a common problem as well is that sometimes your Mac just starts to run really hot. And then that can have some strange graphical related issues where the Mac screen starts to flicker, starts to have lines, things like this, because the internal components are running too hot. There could also be not just an overheating related issue, but the graphics card is just getting old. It's getting wear and tear. There's been some sort of a damage, or there's just an overall problem with that graphics card that may require some diagnosis by an Apple professional. So how can you fix this? First and foremost, is it something to do with software? Is it an application? Is it something else? You can boot your Mac into what's called safe mode or safe boot. This mode allows you to boot your Mac with most of the minimal resources possible. It won't run all of this software in the background. So then you can make sure that if your screen flickering has stopped, then it's got something to do with something that is running when you're running your Mac in its fullest form. Then you can go and troubleshoot what application actually may be causing this. Go and play around 100% with the display settings. This could be changing the refresh rates, changing the configuration of the screens on your Mac. If you've got one of the MacBook Pros, one of the MacBook Airs, one of the laptops, play around with those settings. If you've got a different Mac, if you've got external screens plugged into your USB-C, into HDMI, into a different port, play around with some of these display settings. Adjust some of these things. You may find that the problem just goes away. Definitely update your Mac. Update your macOS software. Sometimes there's just bugs, right? There are software bugs that happen, and great vendors like Apple release updates, and they release updates because there's been abnormalities or vulnerabilities found and maybe glitches on the hardware, on the software. So download software updates, which will include sometimes hardware, firmware, drivers. We talked about the cables, but look at changing cables if you've got external screens. Not every cable is created equally. There's different versions, different quality of HDMI cables, different versions, different quality of USB-C cables. Not every USB-C cable is the same. You can actually look at a USB-C cable and think, hey, this one looks the same, and this one cost me $5, and this one cost me $40. There's a vast difference in the way that they're built. Check for some of this overheating. Is your Mac running a lot hotter than it probably should? Maybe look at cooling it down. Make sure that any of your fans are not being obstructed. Like, it's actually quite common, unfortunately, that when your Mac starts to run really, really hot, the components inside of it are gonna be running really, really hot, and then things start to perform not as well as they could be. Scan for viruses, scan for malware, use a great tool. As I said, we've got Moonlock. Scan your entire computer to make sure that your computer is free from malware. You need to then go and take it to an Apple store. Go and take it to a professional Apple store where they can open it up and diagnose some of the stuff. This is probably not software. This now could be a hardware related glitch. It could be on your main board. It could be on the graphics card. It could be one of the ports. It could be myriad of things. We release videos on all things Mac security. Keeping your Mac safer for longer. You can go download Moonlock completely for free from our website. I've got a link to it down below. And if you love it, because I know that you will, you can go and grab it using a YouTube 10 code to get 10% off. Subscribe. Click on the bell, that way you're notified when we are releasing new videos. Thanks again, we'll see you on the next video.